Are you looking for an easy, beginner-friendly video editor for Ubuntu that still gives you powerful features like multi-track editing, keyframe animation, and chroma key? Today, I'm going to show you how to install OpenShot Video Editor on Ubuntu using two different methods and help you choose the one that's best for your workflow. Let's get started. Like always, when installing new software, start by updating your system. Ubuntu gives you several ways to install OpenShot, and each has its own purpose. First method, using the Ubuntu default repository. This is the safest option. Ubuntu tests and verifies the version before it reaches your system. Just run this command. Problem with this method, you do not always get the latest version. After installation, open the OpenShot app from the Applications menu. Let us check the version installed and then move to the next method so we compare. As you can see, the version installed is 3.1.1. Let us now move to the second method, that is installing from the official PPA. Start by adding the stable PPA, which is recommended. After adding the PPA, update the system again. Now you can install OpenShot using this command. As you can see, the version here is 3.4, so you always get the latest version with this method. If you want to update OpenShot without updating other packages on your system, just run this command. Should you need to uninstall later, remove OpenShot using this command. Also remove the PPA. And that's it. You now know how to install OpenShot using the Ubuntu Repository and the official PPA, plus how to update and remove it cleanly. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Linux tutorial.